Nope, come on. Come on. Come around. Not a good start. Come on. Lulu, you're all excited, huh? Yeah. I know. Once we get into the park, you can get on a longer leash. Come on. I'm gonna pick up trash here this weekend. Come on. No, come on. There's more exciting stuff over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oop. It's windy. Yes, it is. Come on. It is windy today. Am I? God damn it. Damn, it's windy. All this fucking trash. Come on. Come on, you just peed. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're going to the park. There's much more to sniff over there. Well, if the video is noisy, it seems to be extremely windy right now. Come on. Buck, I about ran you over, buddy. Come on. Come on. No, come on. Hurry up. Come on. We're almost there. We can go on a long leash then. As long as these idiots don't have their dog out with no leash. Come on. Woo! Bright sun. January 21st, 2021 today. It's about 47 degrees, but it feels a lot cooler because of the wind. Oh, never fails. Never fails. Get it picked up and thrown away. At least we're right by the trash can this time. Jeez. try not to get that on camera for you all. Come here. We're not leaving. We just gotta go back here. Throw it away. It's supposed to be double bagged, but I think it'll be all right. Come on. Come on. Come on, Buck, up this way. Let's go up this way. You can snip a bunch of stuff. Yeah. Come over here. Come on. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna try to... Used to be a house there built in the, I don't know, late 1800s. They tore it down. It was condemned. I'd like to get over here and maybe metal detect it. If someone says anything, I'll just excuse myself, thinking it was part of the park property. See idiots riding their four-wheelers and stuff through here, probably. Come on. Man, someone's smoking some ribs or something. Smells good. Smells real good. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I want to metal detect, see if I find any silver or anything. Over here. Come on. No, come on. Bucky. Oh my goodness. Come on, guys, we gotta go around the tree because Bucky's a ding dong. Come on. Come on. Oh yes. Speed up the street so you can go sit at the red light. Well, Buck's the one on camera the most because he likes being in the lead. So it is what it is. Come on. Thought you guys might like a little different trip today. Come on. Stay on. Nope. Stay on the park property. We don't want to go into their yard. I know, Lou. You just hopping and running around like crazy. Come on. Oop. Oh, Buck. Come here. Whew. That is rank. All right, where are we at? like I've said before, we've all seen dog poop, so if that got on camera, I apologize, but it is what it is. Okay, let's go move on. Come on. Come on. What are you looking at? Come on. We're gonna just I don't think we're gonna quite walk the entire field. I think we'll just go to this time. We'll just go down to this fence line and take a right. No, we're not going down there today, Bucky. Nope. You can sniff. What do you see? Come here. You can sniff. Yeah, come here. You can sniff. You gotta pick up trash over here, apparently. People can't respect the parks. Come on. It's all right. Got a plan up my sleeve. Come on, Lou. I know, it's fun to sniff, isn't it? Come on. Lots of trash over here. God, it makes me sick. It's nice view. Nice sunny day today. Oh, it's mid-January, but spring is, well, we'll probably get a bunch of snow in February or something, I don't know. But it kind of feels like spring is just around the corner. But we still got, you know, two 2.5 months to go. Come on. No, we're not going down there today. I know, we took a different route. I know, Bucky. Took a different route, buddy. Yep, there's more trash there. Oh well. I shall get it. Come on. Now I have metal detected over here just briefly before, straight ahead at the bleachers and stuff, and mostly I just found old pull tabs. In fact, that's all I found. I never did find anything. So I don't know, maybe it's been hit up in the past before. I have no idea. I don't know when the courts were put in. They just redid all of that a couple years ago. New fencing, new courts and everything. But like I said, I don't know how long they've been there. So maybe I'm not gonna find anything over there worthwhile. Come on. A bunch of pistachios or something. What do you see? You see a squirrel over there? You see a squirrel, Bucky? It's all right. Come on. Let's go home. We'll get you something to eat. Yeah. We'll get you something to eat. We'll get you something to eat, big boy. We gotta look out for Lulu as well. Maybe one time I'll have to just take you by yourself, Bucky, since you have more energy than these guys. Come on, let's go. Come on. Look at his cankles on his feet. Come on, Buck. And these two are, well, Lulu's got a little giddy up left. Emma acts like she's being punished. All right, hurry up. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Come on. Stopping in the middle of the road to look is not, it's not the best thing to do, Lulu. I know, I see you looking at me. Come on. Go on. Keep going. Come on. Come on, let's keep going. People don't watch to look at an empty sidewalk. Well, I guess Bucky's the star. Buck's the star of the video. I know, Lulu. Come on, that's why we didn't go the long route today. Buck wants to go all over the place. Come on. Come on. Oop. Shoes untied. Hopefully I make it back in time. Hold on, I'm just gonna stop and tie my shoe. Hold on, doggies. There's my neighbor across the street. He's I don't know, an interesting person. Come on. I know, Bucky. All that trash. We'll get it. Come on. Well, you just had to run your big horse feet through the mud. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, at least walk in the grass to clean them off. What are you pointing at, huh? What are you pointing at? Oh, there's those people who apparently don't know what a recycle bin is or how to use it properly. Now the city has a 3 strikes thing. Your recycling is messed up 3 times. They take away your privileges for a year. Oh, let's get this rock out of the road. Your privileges of recycling. Which apparently they have no idea that it's a recycle bin and not a trash bin, as you could clearly see the different color. Just amazes me how many people in this neighborhood are okay and they walk outside and see this trash in front of their house and they just ignore it and leave it there like they're okay with it. I haven't collected trash in about 2 weeks. It's just been really cold on the Sundays. I usually go out on Sundays. Come on. Come on. I usually go out Sunday mornings to collect trash. At least in the fall, winter, and springtime. But it's been really cold the last couple Sundays. In the summertime, Sometimes I go out twice a week just for the fact that more people have their windows down, so they're throwing more trash out of their car because reasons, I guess. I don't know. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Anyway.